Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a story that feels like it has been ripped straight from a sci-fi movie. We're talking about a creation that blurs the lines between animal, machine, and vehicle. Japan's Kawasaki Heavy Industries, a name you probably associate with powerful motorcycles, has just pulled the curtain back on something truly wild. A rideable, four-legged robot named Ibex, which has evolved into its latest form, CORLEO. This isn't just some concept art or a small-scale model. CORLEO is a real functioning prototype, and it's currently turning heads in Dubai, a city that's rapidly becoming a global hub for next-generation technology. Imagine a creature with the powerful build of an ibex or a muscular goat, the sleek, predatory vibe of a wolf, and the unmistakable engineering DNA of a Kawasaki motorcycle. That's CORLEO. It's designed to be ridden like a horse, but it's built from metal, circuits, and a whole lot of ambition. So, what's the point of a robot goat motorcycle? Well, Kawasaki's vision goes far beyond just creating a cool-looking machine. They're exploring the future of mobility and logistics, especially in environments where traditional vehicles struggle. Think about rugged, uneven terrain, disaster zones, or even large agricultural fields. A wheeled vehicle can get stuck, but a legged robot can step over obstacles, maintain its balance on a slope, and navigate complex environments with an agility that wheels just can't match. CORLEO, building on the Ibex project, is designed to be a versatile workhorse. It can carry heavy cargo, potentially up to 220 pounds, or about 100 kilograms. This could revolutionize how we deliver supplies to remote areas or transport materials on a large construction site. Instead of needing a clear path, CORLEO could simply walk over the rubble or up a steep, unpaved hill. The project is part of a larger initiative by Kawasaki called the Kaleido program, which has been developing humanoid robots since 2015. CORLEO represents a different approach, a half-humanoid, half-beast design that prioritizes stability and load-bearing capacity. Now, let's get into the nitty-gritty of how this thing actually works. CORLEO has a fascinating hybrid design. For navigating tricky terrain, it walks on its four powerful legs. But what if you need to cover a longer distance on a relatively flat surface, like a paved road or a warehouse floor? The engineers at Kawasaki thought of that too. In a brilliant move, CORLEO can actually retract its legs and lower its central chassis, revealing a set of wheels. It essentially transforms from a walker into a rover, allowing it to move much faster and more efficiently when the ground is clear. This dual-mode transportation is a game-changer, giving it the best of both worlds. And yes, you can ride it. The top of the robot features a seat and handlebars, just like a motorcycle. Riders can steer the robot, controlling its direction and gait. Early videos of the Ibex prototype show a rider perched on top as it gracefully, if a little slowly, walks around. It's a surreal sight, like something out of Star Wars or Horizon Zero Dawn. The handlebars aren't just for show. They allow for direct intuitive control of this mechanical beast. The name itself, CORLEO, is an acronym that hints at its purpose. Corresponding leg-type on-ground mobile equipment. It's a bit of a mouthful, but it perfectly describes its function as a legged machine designed for practical, on-the-ground tasks. The team behind it says they were inspired by the Ibex, a species of wild goat known for its incredible ability to climb steep, rocky mountains. They wanted to replicate that natural agility and sure-footedness in a robotic form. The current showcase in Dubai is significant. The UAE is investing heavily in robotics and automation as part of its vision for the future. By bringing CORLEO to a major tech exhibition there, Kawasaki isn't just showing off a new product, it's making a statement about the future of labor, transport, and exploration. The applications are vast. Imagine park rangers using a CORLEO to patrol remote wilderness areas with minimal environmental impact. Think of farmers using it to inspect crops or carry equipment across muddy fields. And in a crisis, a fleet of these robots could be deployed to search and rescue sites, carrying medical supplies and equipment into areas inaccessible to humans or conventional vehicles. Of course, the project is still in development. The walking speed is currently quite slow, more of a deliberate stroll than a gallop. The engineers are constantly working to improve its balance, speed, and battery life. One of the biggest challenges with legged robots is power consumption. Moving all those joints and constantly making micro adjustments to stay balanced requires a lot of energy. But as battery technology improves and the control algorithms become more sophisticated, we can expect to see future versions of CORLEO that are faster, stronger, and more autonomous. The design also includes modular capabilities. The top part of the robot, where the seat is, can potentially be swapped out for other modules. You could replace the seat with a cargo bay, a robotic arm for manipulation tasks, or even a set of advanced sensors for inspection and data collection. This adaptability makes CORLEO not just a vehicle, but a versatile platform for a wide range of applications. This isn't Kawasaki's first foray into robotics. They have a long history in industrial automation, with their robotic arms being used in factories all over the world. But CORLEO represents a bold step into a new frontier, a world where robots walk among us, not just as factory workers, but as partners and helpers in our daily lives and toughest jobs. It's a fascinating glimpse into a future where technology and nature inspire each other, creating solutions we could only dream of just a few years ago. The line between a horse, a wolf, and a motorcycle has never been so beautifully blurred. What do you guys think? Is this the future of transport, or just a very cool, very expensive pet project? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments. I'm really curious to hear what applications you can imagine for a machine like this. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the world of futuristic robotics, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update on the amazing tech shaping our world. We'll see you in the next one.